bit windy today, as you can probably tell by the wind noise coming through the camera. But if you want to know what the weather's going to do for this week, for the last week of July and the first few days of August, then let's go over to our very famous, our weather guru. Shaun, what's the weather doing? You can hear us over the wind. And a meter. Woo-woo!
It must be hot out there, Jay, because those short shorts look really great on you today.
So, do you know what?
Too much hanging out.
No, I'm driving here. I went, I need to go to the laundry because I've only got these dirty shorts, which got really dirty after we shot something which we can't talk about. And I thought, well, no one's going to see them. So I didn't bother stopping. Now you mentioned
so
them.
short, man.
They're not that short.
I don't know.
Do the weather.
You're sitting.
Do the weather.
Anyway, I did film a great segment with Jay during this week. If you missed it, you should go look at our Instagram stories. It was a play on the weather, right?
Huh?
It was a video based on the weather. It was cold something or something like that.
Yeah, it was very cold that day. I had very hard nipples, which you pointed out a lot.
Did we ever publish any of the audio of that?
No, we shouldn't really. Yeah. Hello everybody. Can I just say Shaun did a great job on the weather last week. He even screenshotted the fact that he got more views than my video the week before, and so he is now the weather king.
Yes. Anyway guys, back to it. If this is your first time watching our weather, we do a weekly weather update where we predict the weather, and pretty much it doesn't follow our prediction.
Never
ever. Because it's Thailand and it's wet season. Anyway, when we predict the weather, we use 3 apps. The first we're going to look at is windy today. After that, we're going to look at the radar, but it's really irrelevant because Jay tells me all the time it's irrelevant.
Yes.
And then after that, we're going to look at AccuWeather, which also is basically a waste of time. The only thing we really care about is the wind.
That's right, Shaun.
So looking forward to today.
Why have you got all pictures up on your screen?
These are all live webcams.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
That's clever, isn't it?
Allows me to go in and I can see, what is it really like in Krabi today?
Okay.
You don't get that on yours?
No.
This is the pro version. I think the pro version.
No, but I use your login. I used your login for something else as well. Can't remember what it was. Strange login details you had though. Anyway, carry on. Look, you're really small. Phuket's here, look.
I like to look out into the...
Yeah, but no one cares up here. Just show Phuket. Hang up AMPP. There we go.
Alright,
now tell people where we are.
Yeah, I'm going to say, this is your first time. This is Phuket. This is Yel Yai. This is Krabi. And this is PP. Looking Sunday morning. Green wind. Jay, what does green wind?
Hold on, I was drinking coffee. Green means it's a little bit windy, but not too much. Yellow's bad. If you see yellow, then that's...
Yeah, so looking up into the bay, it's nice in the bay in the morning.
I haven't finished my colours.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Blue's good, purple's really good. There you go.
Little bumpy out to PP. In the afternoon, very similar conditions for Sunday. Looking forward to Monday. Oh, it's a less green. What does a less green mean?
Oh, what? Sorry?
Well, this is green, right? This is a strong green, yeah?
Yes.
And then,
Well, what do you think of less green? What does less green go to?
It's almost...
No, but how does colours work? After green becomes blue. So a less green will be less windy.
There you go. So that's what Monday morning is.
What is that? Teak? No, that's wood, isn't it? That's a wood colour. What colour is that?
You know, when I did this, like I looked at this beforehand,
Did
I
you?
didn't see this colour, so it's updated.
Okay.
So,
what day's that?
Monday morning.
Ah, so last week of July, everyone.
Monday afternoon gets a little bit more bumpy. Looking forward to Tuesday. I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we expect a little bumpy conditions out to PP. Doesn't mean you can't go, but I think that's what you're going to look at. When I looked at it earlier, Wednesday starts to clear out.
Oh my God, look at that.
Are you going to go out this week?
I was meant to go out on Friday, but I got busy, so yeah, it looks like Wednesday.
Yeah,
I'm doing a video because...
But you see the direction of the wind again?
Where is it coming from?
Oh, it's coming from the
south.
south.
Yeah, but that's because there's hardly any wind, so they just have to put that there. Yes, I'm recording a video, Shaun, all about how we want to get some booking. I'm segueing in our book now before it's too late.
Oh, is that the thing that you did the other day?
Yes.
Oh.
Book now before it's too late. We're running out of boats for high season, so if you want to book...
So this is purple?
I'm trying to do something!
Oh, the dog's licking my feet.
Is it? Where is it? The dog's there. Oh, it's not the dog licking your feet, Shaun. Hold on! Licky, lick, lick!
So this colour is...
It's good, really good.
This is like glass.
Yeah.
This is like no
That's
bump.
mono ski. If you're a skier, water skier, then
Wednesday's a
you
great day to go out. If you're here in Phuket, you should go out on Wednesday.
Wednesday, baby.
Thursday, also a good day. But you see the wind has changed.
Do you know what?
From south
Hey. What's happening Thursday, Sean? Look at the date on Thursday.
31st.
Yeah, so what does that mean?
Last day of the month.
And?
PP closes.
No.
Maya Bay closes.
PP doesn't close, don't
Yes.
say that.
Jay's going to tell you why.
Maya Bay is shutting on, that's the last day, so the 31st of July. And I'm actually going down on that day, me and Fangalanga Ding Dong. I invited someone else, but she couldn't come. She has to work, apparently. It's a shame.
Looks quite calm. You'll have a nice day on the sea.
Yeah, we're going to go down early. We're going to try to get there as early as possible, and then we'll release the video once we've done it. Oh, I like your mouse mat. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I inherited it when I came back.
Good.
Friday, a little bit bumpier, but still beautiful out there.
By the way, Maya Bay is closed for 2 months, but there are still lots of beautiful bays you can go to and beaches. In fact, we did a whole video about 5 different beaches you can go to, and you don't have to worry about Maya Bay. You can still go and look at Maya Bay, you just can't physically go on the beach.
So the 1 week summary is, if you're here in Phuket and you're looking to go out, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, probably best to go to Phang Nga Bay, Hong Karabi area to keep away from the bumpy sea out to PP. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, go wherever you like. That's the basic summary of it.
Yeah, show the other ones.
Oh, we really have to? Because it's really like you...
Well, just talk about it.
Here is a radar.
Means nothing because we're recording this on... Uh-oh, watch out. Hold on. Samwa, come and say hello to people. Get
Did you do that blowy thing? And no,
Excuse me, what did you say then?
The blowy thing.
What now?
No.
That was the login for that only thing that we were talking about earlier. Not that blowy thing.
Oh, someone's got the no, meter.
Yeah, someone show the no. Would you get in quickly? Otherwise, you've got to do lots of editing. The batteries. I haven't got any batteries. Here's our no.
So this is how it works. You blow the wind,
and it tells you, oh, good blow, Sean.
now
Yeah, boy.
it says it's too windy to film because we blew on it.
Someone's here.
Oh,
I haven't put any batteries in it. But
battery ran out already.
No, this is my one.
You have exactly the same.
Yes,
menu.
I bought exactly the same one as you did.
Oh.
Mine was cheaper
That's
by
cool.
100 baht because I ordered it from China.
Looking at AccuWeather, which is probably the closest app to what really happens here, it's a little bit
32
overcast.
degrees, 33 degrees. It might rain a little bit.
It's quite hot at the moment.
It's really hot at the moment. Yeah.
I went for a walk the other day and I sweated so much I ended up in the pool. And I don't even swim in the dry season, so it's hot.
You just
You know
walked
that-
into the pool. What? You didn't know it was there?
No, I went for a walk and then I came
itchy,
back.
Got itchy toe. Really itchy toe. What does that mean?
Actually, the water temperature right now is quite warm as
Who
well.
cares about the water temperature?
Well, people quite often ask me, do I need a wetsuit to swim over
You
here?
don't need a wetsuit.
In wet
and
season.
book now for high season because we're running out of boats. Seriously, and otherwise Sean's going to buy boats. I don't want him to buy any more boats because I want a nice bonus this year.
And if you have a question about the weather or a specific date or something, you can drop it below. We'll generally reply with
Yeah, sorry.
what we think.
It's busy morning here at the office. Right, can we go now? We got to shoot a video about something else.
Jay's gonna go check the nonometer.
That you had you.
He's gonna find batteries
Oh, it makes
first.
noises.
That's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.
We're going to shoot another video now. Thanks for watching.